Okay, so the S23 Ultra leaks are not stopping at all. But before revealing the price leak, here is something else. Well, images of the Samsung's authorized cases for the S23 Ultra have been released by EV Leaks. We can see the silicon cases as well as matte clear view cover cases for the Ultra model. That pretty much also confirms the color options of the Galaxy S23 Ultra: cotton flower, phantom black, botanic green, and mystic lilac. But that's not all it. We have another one. This time, a picture of 3 Galaxy S23 variants mock-ups side by side has been presented to us thanks to Sony Dixon. Now, for perspective, this is not the first time we are seeing it. We have seen the Galaxy S23 family's dummy units, but until recently, no one has been able to capture all 3 designs in single frame that looks as realistic as this one. It totally gives us the idea of what they're gonna be like in real life. But when it comes to smartphones, appearances are not everything. And in the case of the S23 Ultra, we're gonna get the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU made for Galaxy, and that will also have some other significant improvements. But we know for sure that 200 megapixel main camera is coming to the Ultra model, and that is the Samsung's ISOCELL HP2 sensor. If you want to know more about that, check out my recent video on that. According to a leaker, the S23 and the S23 Plus will not have an upgraded price, at least in the US. But the S23 Ultra will actually see a $50 increase in its price, $1,249 for the 8 to 56GB model, because that's what it starts at. Which seems also fair because it is starting at a higher storage variant and the better storage variant, so definitely expect a little bit of price increase. But what about the other price? Well, $1,349 for the 512GB model and $1,499 for 1TB model. That will be Samsung.com exclusive. Well, according to 95 Google, the cost of the S23's 128GB base model is going to be 1,350 Australian dollars and 100 Australian dollars more for the 256GB model. The S23 Plus base model will start at $1,650 and the Ultra model will start at $1,950. That's insane. Now, if you compare that with the S22 series, then that looks like this, which definitely suggests that there is about $100 price increase. And according to another leaker, the European pricing look like this. Now, if you compare that pricing with the European pricing of the S22 series, that also suggests that there is a good amount of price increase. Maybe just like the leak is saying, in the US, the pricing will not increase for the standard models. Just for the Ultra model, we're going to see a price increase of $50. But keep this in mind, all these things can change even at the last minute. So definitely, I will keep an eye on this one and you can subscribe this channel for that. Okay, after releasing this free 8K wallpaper pack, here is absolutely stunning 8K wallpaper pack called Lightbeam. On any monitor, computer, tablet, or even smartphone, it looks awesome. Want to see right away on your devices? Visit my website, link down below. It's for everything tech, where you will find free watch faces and tons of tech news much faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.